Are you looking for the best portable jump starters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable jump starters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. GKFLY New Car Jump Starter. The GKFLY 8000 mAh car jump starter is a compact and versatile emergency tool designed to jumpstart 12V vehicles, including petrol engines up to 4.0L and diesel engines up to 3.0L, with a peak current of 800 A over 3 seconds, allowing up to 30 vehicle starts on a single charge. Beyond jumpstarting, it functions as a portable power bank to charge smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices, and includes multifunctional LED lighting with normal, SOS, and strobe modes for emergency or outdoor use. Operating reliably in temperatures from -20°C to 60°C, the device is lightweight, 260G, and compact, 140mm x 78mm x 23mm, for easy storage and portability. The GKFLY 8000 mAh car jump starter is available on various online platforms, with prices ranging from approximately €39.58 to $63.20, and provides a practical, cost-effective solution for vehicle battery emergencies. Number 2. FOXSUR 25A Smart Starter. The FOXSUR 25A 12V, 24V Smart Battery Charger is a versatile and intelligent charging solution designed for a wide range of vehicles and battery types. It offers selectable charging currents of 2A, 8A, automatic, 20A, and 25A, making it suitable for 12V and 24V batteries, including lead-acid, AGM, GEL, EFB, LiFePO, and deep-cycle batteries. Equipped with an 8-stage automatic charging process, this charger ensures efficient and safe charging, helping to restore and maintain battery health. The integrated booster function provides a 200-second high-current boost to assist in starting vehicles with low battery voltage, making it particularly useful for emergency situations. The charger features a large, color LCD display that provides real-time information on charging status, voltage, current, temperature, and mode settings, allowing users to monitor the charging process easily. Number 3. GKFLY 16000 mAh car jump starter. The GKFLY 16000 mAh for in-one car jump starter is a versatile emergency tool designed to assist with various roadside situations. It features a 16,000 mAh lithium polymer battery capable of delivering a peak current of 2000 A over 3 seconds, enabling it to jumpstart 12V vehicles, including petrol engines up to 6.0L and diesel engines up to 4.5L. In addition to its jumpstarting capabilities, this device functions as a 150 psi air compressor, suitable for inflating car tires, bicycles, motorcycles, and other inflatable items. It also serves as a power bank with a USB output for charging digital devices and includes a multifunctional LED flashlight with lighting, flashing, and SOS modes. The GKFLY jump starter is designed with safety in mind, incorporating protections against reverse polarity, overcharging, short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. Its compact size, 220mm x 110mm x 56mm, and lightweight design, 720G, make it portable and easy to store in your vehicle. This multifunctional device is available for purchase on the official GKFLY website, offering a practical solution for roadside emergencies. Number 4. Baseus Wireless Car Starter. The Baseus Wireless Car Air Pump is a compact and efficient portable air compressor designed for inflating tires of cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and other inflatables. It features a high-precision LCD digital display that allows users to monitor and set the desired tire pressure in real time. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, this cordless inflator offers the convenience of wireless operation, eliminating the need for external power sources. The device includes multiple nozzle attachments, making it versatile for various inflation needs, and is designed with safety features to prevent overinflation. Its lightweight and portable design make it an ideal companion for roadside emergencies and outdoor activities. Number 5. GKFLY 12V Portable Jump Starter. The GKFLY JS-0812V portable car jump starter is a compact and multifunctional emergency tool designed to assist with various roadside situations. It features a 12,000 mAh lithium polymer battery capable of delivering a peak current of 800 A over 3 seconds, enabling it to jumpstart 12V vehicles, including petrol engines up to 5.0 L and diesel engines up to 3.0 L. In addition to its jumpstarting capabilities, this device functions as a power bank with 2 USB ports, 5V, 2A, for charging smartphones, tablets, cameras, and other USB-powered devices. It also includes a built-in LED flashlight with 3 modes: standard light, strobe, and SOS, providing illumination and signaling options during emergencies. The GKFLY JS-08 is designed with safety in mind, incorporating protections against reverse polarity, overcharging, short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. Its compact size, 131mm x 75mm x 25mm, and lightweight design, 280G, make it portable and easy to store in your vehicle.